Before Elvis, before the Beatles, there was Pat Boone, a clean-cut crooner who didn't just cover black music, he colonized it. Welcome back to Stolen Soundtracks, where we pull back the curtain on the whitewashed history of popular music, one stolen song at a time. Today we examine Pat Boone, the poster child for turning raw, revolutionary black rhythm into soft suburban hits. Let's unpack how he made a career, and millions, off the brilliance of black America. Tutti Frutti, originally by Little Richard, 1955, Pat Boone's version stripped away Little Richard's fire, flamboyance, and soul, leaving a watered-down hit palatable to white radio stations. Boone's version outsold the original, even though Little Richard had written it, recorded it, and revolutionized rock with it. Ain't That a Shame, originally by Fats Domino, 1955. When Fats Domino released Ain't That a Shame, it had swing, swagger, and a distinct New Orleans style. Boone's cover flattened the groove and became a top 10 hit. Fats Domino had to watch his own song hit the charts under someone else's name. I Almost Lost My Mind, originally by Ivory Joe Hunter, 1950. Originally a tender R&B ballad about sorrow and survival, Ivory Joe Hunter's hit was one of the first crossovers, but it wasn't until Boone re-recorded it, smoothing out the soul, that it soared to number 1 on the pop charts. Long Tall Sally, originally by Little Richard, 1956, another Little Richard classic injected with gospel energy and black Southern swagger. Boone gave it the same soft shoe treatment, taming the energy to make it safe for mainstream America. At My Front Door, originally by the El Dorados, 1955, Pat Boone's version made the charts, but it was the El Dorados, a black doo-wop group, who originated the track and made it matter. They set the tone. Boone got the credit. Pat Boone wasn't just covering songs. He was the industry's tool to erase black culture while cashing in on its sound. In the 1950s, white radio wouldn't play black voices, but they'd play Boone mimicking them. And that's how history gets rewritten, one polished, palatable cover at a time. If you're learning something they didn't teach in music class, like comment and subscribe for more episodes of Stolen Soundtracks here in the Black History Vault, Behind the Music.